Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through installing Windows Server 2022. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or just getting started, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about prerequisites. Make sure you have a valid copy of Windows Server 2022, a bootable USB drive, and an internet connection. You'll also need a machine that meets the minimum system requirements. At least a 1.4 GHz 64-bit processor, 2 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of disk space. Got all that? Great! Let's move on. Alright, step 1. Creating a bootable USB drive. You can use tools like Rufus or the Windows Media Creation tool. Just download and install the tool, select your USB drive, and choose the Windows Server 2022 ISO file. Hit Start and let the tool do its magic. Once done, plug the USB into your target machine. Now, reboot your machine and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. Usually, it's the Delete, F2 or F10 key, but it can vary. Once in, set the USB drive as the primary boot device. Save and exit, and your machine should boot from the USB. You'll now see the Windows setup screen. Select your language, time, and keyboard preferences, then click Next. Hit Install Now. Enter your product key, or choose I don't have a product key to enter it later. Select the version of Windows Server 2022 you want to install. Check the box to accept the license terms, then click Next. Now, you'll need to choose the installation type. For a clean install, select Custom Install Windows Only. Choose the partition where you want to install the OS. If you're unsure, the largest partition is usually a safe bet. Click Next, and the installation will begin. This might take a while, so grab a coffee. Once the installation is complete, the system will reboot. You'll be prompted to set up your initial configuration. Create a password for the administrator account. Configure your network settings. If you're using a static IP address, enter it here. Choose your time zone and set the date and time. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Windows Server 2022. But wait, there's more. Here are a few tips to get you started. First, run Windows Update to ensure your server has the latest patches and security updates. Second, configure your server roles and features based on your needs. You can do this via the Server Manager dashboard. Lastly, consider setting up a backup solution to protect your data. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Mishra Merchants, watermark text.